In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up out-of-office replies in Outlook. If you're stepping away from your inbox, setting an automatic reply ensures people know when you'll be back and who they can contact in the meantime. I'll walk you through classic Outlook first, then show you how to do the same in the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. In classic Outlook, start by going to the File tab in the top left corner. Choose Automatic Replies, sometimes labeled Out of Office. In the window that opens, turn it on by selecting Send Automatic Replies. If you know the exact dates you'll be away, check only Send during this time range, then set your start and end dates and times. This lets Outlook turn your replies on and off for you, so you don't have to remember later. Next, craft your internal message. Under Inside My Organization, type the reply your colleagues will receive. Keep it clear and helpful. Mention the dates you're unavailable, when you expect to respond, and an alternate contact if needed. Avoid including any sensitive information. If you also want to notify people outside your organization, go to the Outside My Organization tab, check the option to send automatic replies externally, and write a version suitable for clients or partners. It's common to keep external messages brief and professional. When you're done, click OK or Save, and your settings are active. Now, let's set this up in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Click the Settings gear icon, typically found in the top right corner. Select View All Outlook Settings, then go to Mail and choose Automatic Replies. Turn Automatic Replies to On. If you'd like Outlook to manage the timing, check Send Replies only during a time period and set your start and end times. This ensures your reply doesn't keep sending after you're back. You'll see places to write messages for both Inside My Organization and Outside My Organization. Use the same guidelines. Be specific about your availability, offer a backup point of contact if appropriate, and tailor the tone to the audience. Keep it concise but informative. When everything looks good, click Save to apply your settings. A few quick tips as you finalize your reply: double-check your time zone and dates to avoid sending replies too early or too late. Keep messages friendly and straightforward, and don't include confidential details. If your schedule changes, you can return to these settings at any time to update or turn off your automatic replies. That's it, your out of office is ready. Thanks for watching.